Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video, we are honored to present the model HMAS Anzac FFH 150. It is the flagship of the Anzac-class frigate, which has played an important role in the Royal Australian Navy since it was commissioned in 1998. It was first launched in 1996 and was inaugurated in 1998. HMAS Anzac, which is designed to have the versatility to handle a wide range of operations, including air defense, anti-surface warfare, and maritime surveillance. This frigate is a valuable asset both in combat and humanitarian missions. Meanwhile, in the initial design process of the warship, as many as 10 Anzac-class frigates were built on the 5th of November 1993 by Tenex Defence Systems, now BAE Systems, at the Williamstown shipyard in Melbourne, including 2 ships for the Royal New Zealand Navy. Based on the design of the frigate, the German Blohm plus Vosmeco 200, or the Vasco da Gama class, HMAS Anzac was modified to meet Australian and New Zealand specifications and maximize the use of locally made equipment. Dubbed the First Lady of the Fleet, HMAS Anzac III has a crew capacity of 178 people on board. Then, each frigate has a full load displacement of 3,660 tons and has a length of 109 meters on the water surface, with a total length of 118 meters and a width of 14.8 meters and a full draft load of 4.35 meters. For its water-powered propulsion, HMAS Anzac uses a combined diesel or gas CODOG propulsion system, which includes one General Electric LM2500 gas turbine producing 30,000 horsepower and 2 MTU 12 volts 1163 TB83 diesel engines producing 8,840 horsepower. It has 2 propellers with a controllable pitch. HMAS Anzac can travel at a maximum speed of 27 knots or 50 kilometers per hour and has a maximum range of more than 6,000 nautical miles or 11,000 kilometers at a speed of 18 knots or 33 kilometers per hour. In conducting various combat scenarios, the HMAS Anzac frigate has its main armament systems, which are equipped with 127mm Mk45 Mod 2 cannons, 8-cell Mk41 vertical launch system (VLS) for RM-7 Sea Sparrow missiles and RM-162 Evolved Sea Sparrow. However, for anti-ship warfare, HMAS Anzac is equipped with 2 quad canister launchers for Harpoon Block 2 missiles. Then there is the Rafael Mini Typhoon short-range weapon system for defense against air threats, and there is also the Australian-developed Nulka active missile decoy system. Also, other armament, there are 2 sets of Mark 32 triple torpedo tubes. Later, it was upgraded to use the Mu-90 impact torpedo. In this context, the use of maritime radar as a surveillance and early detection tool has the potential to increase the effectiveness of maritime defense. The frigate is equipped with advanced radar and sensor systems, including the Raytheon SPS-49V 8ANZ Air Search Radar, the Atlas Electronics 9600 ARPA Navigation Radar, and the Celsius Tech 9LV453 Fire Control Radar. Then the ship is also equipped with sonar, which is installed in the hull for underwater detection. However, as technology has evolved, the Anzac class has undergone 2 major upgrades. Under the C-1440 project Phase 2A, 2B, and Phase 4B, as an anti-ship missile defense program, Anzac ASMD, from Phase 2A, 2B development on 8 ships of this class, is equipped with improved combat management and fire control systems, as well as infrared search and tracking sensors, IRST. Meanwhile, for the Midlife Capability Assurance Program, the Anzac C1448 Phase 4B is a follow-up to replace the previous air search radar, Anzac's aging SPS 4958. With a phased array radar system, CEA Technologies CFAR 2L, and adds an improved communication system, new power, air and chilled water cooling systems, and improved power generation and electricity. Therefore, when combined from the upgrades of the 2A, 2B, and 4B phases, not only gives the Anzac class a very different profile, but also results in one of the most capable air defense systems of all the small surface ships in the world. In this case, HMAS Anzac, which is equipped with an advanced communication system and combat management, will certainly increase the interoperability of this ship with allied navies, and can also facilitate joint operations and exercises. This interoperability is particularly beneficial, especially in regions with complex security dynamics, such as the South China Sea, where collaboration with allies such as the US and Australia is critical. The technology on HMAS Anzac, which provides highly advanced air warfare and missile self-defense capabilities, on the Navy's Anzac-class frigates, and gives the Navy as one of the most advanced sovereign air search radar capabilities. In fact, this warship can be known to be at the top among warships such as those belonging to countries in Southeast Asia. The ship's name, in recognition of the Australian and New Zealand Army Corps, is in honor of the spirit of the Anzac, which had been involved in the World War. During its 28 years of service, the ship has participated in various operations, including important deployments in the Gulf region. HMAS Anzac has cemented the ship's symbolic link with the shared history of Australia and New Zealand. Fighting under the slogan, Unity, the warship maintained an active presence in the Australian fleet, having been deployed in operations off the coast of East Timor, 1999, the Persian Gulf, 2001 to 2003, and off the coast of Iraq, 2003. Strategically, HMAS Anzac has increased its power projection and maritime security for the receiving Navy. Its long-range capabilities, ideal for extensive patrols, are crucial for securing territorial waters and exclusive economic zones against threats such as piracy and illegal fishing.